Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw cryptocurrencies from your crypto.com to another wallet or exchange. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is open your wallet right here, and then from here you're going to go to your account section. Then from here you're going to go to the crypto, and then you're going to close this window, and it's going to show you all the cryptocurrency coins that you might have on your account. Select whichever you want to on more of them, click on it, and then from here simply click on transfer. And then from here you can click on deposit or withdraw. You're going to click on withdraw, and then you're going to click on external wallet, and then from here you can fill in all the addresses that you're necessary. So from here you're going to select whichever cryptocurrency you might want to transfer, such as XRP, and then from here you're going to select all the details for that wallet. To do that, all you have to do is exit the app, search for another wallet of your choice, such as Phantom Wallet. Then from here, you're going to search for XRP again. Once you find it, click on it. And then once you do that, it's going to show a big button right here that says receive. This one says Solana, but you can do that with any other coin. And simply click on copy. Go back to the other application right here. And then from here, you're going to long press and paste your address. And then from here, you're going to fill the basic information, such as your first name, your last name, select whatever country, select the wallet type, tag, and of course the amount that you would like to transfer. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.